Fulham is excited to offer you the ultimate in versatility with Vizion brand Cuttable LED modules useful for either factory installation or field retrofits. There are 5 different total models to meet your needs, as both 46-inch varieties of different standard or higher performance lumens per watt, plus a 48-inch one that can be cut into increments as small as 1 1/3 inches. Which module you choose with which wattage determines the lumen output, with efficacy at a minimum of 153 lumens per watt, up to 175. They are made to order between 2,700 and 6,500 Kelvin. What's more, they are quick and easy to wire, using push-in connectors in the factory or field, because they have DLC premium designation. Perfect for linear fixtures, the 4 46-inch modules can be cut in half as needed, while the 48-inch module can be cut every 1 1/3 inches. Here's a performance chart as another way of looking at which module may be right for you. Contact us for more details. And don't forget to subscribe to our LinkedIn channel to never miss an update.